So I am here at TO Strand. Now, for those of you that don't know where TO Strand is, it's close to Port Edward. It's here in Leisure Bay, so it's basically Port Edward, but it's next to Port Edward Beach. It's a beautiful spot with rich history. Now, if you have been here in your youth, it's still the same. The nostalgia, nature still dominates here. It is breathtakingly beautiful. It is my vibe. You can camp here. You can put your caravan. They got chalets. They got a little river here. I mean, they got access onto the beach, so you can camp and walk from your tent to the beach. Let's go for a walk. I'm going to show you what this place is about. Just a very quick walk. Let's go have a look. So that's the entrance over there. 24/7 guard access control. The little entrance here to the reception area, and that's where you go towards the campsite. Now for those, this is now our winter, or we're coming out of our winter now. Just shows you how lucky we are to have such a green environment here. Obviously it is subtropical. How's it? Hi. Yeah, so they got a little shop over here as well, TO Strand. So you've got a little shop over here. And you've got this beautiful walkway that leads to your main area where your main swimming pool is. You've also got a very nice little restaurant here. The Beanbag Cafe, all day breakfast, coffee, slushy, pizza. Yeah, that's a diet that I could chow. Right, so here's the main area. Swimming pool here. So you must know, in summer this place is banging, but it's such an awesome family resort for those that really enjoy the camping vibe, coming down, carefree holiday, kids run, make friends for life, memories for life. This is it, guys. This is TO Strand. Right, okay, so that's the restaurant over here. Let's just show you here. Look how nice. Very nice. Smart, neat little cafe here. Let's get a view from here. There's a swimming pool. Let's go over there. Alright. So let's go down to the beach. So from here you've got access, and then there's also access down towards the camping sites. Also got access to the beach. So they give you the tides here, low tide, high tide, which definitely helps, and freshwater showers right here when you come back from the beach. Okay, so going out is easy. Coming in, I got the code. Right, so let's take a walk to the beach. They've got a nice little volleyball area out here. Stunning. And this is the walkway to the beach. That's what I love about the south coast here. A lot of your little beaches, your enclaves, your little dens, your coves, whatever you call them, they all have this, you know, movie style lead onto the beach through the bushes. I love it. Each one is so unique, and look at that, guys. What? Yep. Paradise. Absolute paradise. And all, it feels like it's all to myself. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. TO Strand, ladies and gentlemen. Unbelievable. Check at that. And this is the area here. So how peaceful is this place, guys? Look at that. Hey, like from a movie scene. Let's go have a quick look at the campsites, river, chalets. It's a place where, you know, people can just kick back, relax, and not really worry too much. Alright, so up that side you got your chalets. Here you got your camping sites. Hey, check there. There's actually quite a few people camping. But this is why I like it, guys. I enjoy camping. I really enjoy it. There's no better way to get in touch with nature and being outdoors, and it's also probably one of the most social things. It's camping. Now when you can camp next to the beach, that's what a lot of people are looking for. It's always difficult to find because sometimes it's a bit misleading. Some places you've got to walk over a couple of train tracks, or you know, you've got to go across the main road and just a hop and a skip, which is a kilometer, where here you on the beach, safe, and also very friendly, welcoming. Phew. I suppose the heat that we are experiencing is being pushed by the cold front that's coming through now. So yeah, it's rather humid, warm. Oh man, it's so peaceful here, guys. Awesome. That's the camping side. But if I were to camp, I will show you where I would pitch my tent. Right here. You've got your river that leads out to the sea. Very small. It looks like a dam, like a pond vibe. And then you've got an access gate down there that will take you through to the beach, the bottom side of the beach where I was standing now. About 100 meters down, you've got access to this beach over here. I'm glad I came this time of day. It's beautiful. The sun is setting, or starting to set. It's going through the clouds, or through the trees. So yeah, here's your second gate, guys. So, camp straight through to the beach. Alright, so let's head back. Okay, there's your river over there. Oh guys, it's so quiet, so peaceful. Look at that. I hope this GoPro is getting the colors in, because it is breathtakingly beautiful, guys. There's some more campsites over here. It goes all the way down. Look at that. Can't beat it, guys. This camping beach. So yeah, I'm gonna come and bring my family one of these days, one of these weeks. I'm gonna come spend a weekend here. And I encourage those watching, and if you're staying down here in KZN, Lower KZN, Durban side, you wanna come for the weekend, have a look at the link. Find out more about TO Strand. It's a beautiful place, guys. Here's Mother Goose. Mother Goose, how's it? Oh, this is beautiful, eh? Let's go down there rather. Let's not disturb the ducklings. Look at this, guys. Hey? I mean, to me, just being here and witnessing this right now is a gift. It honestly is a gift. This is why I love my job, guys. This is why I love my job. Look at this. Hey. Okay. Right, so that's most of the camping area. Let's take a walk up to the chalets. Okay, they got canoes. I was here a month ago during the July school holidays, and wow, it was so busy. It felt like its own little world here. They had, well, not mistaken, voortrekkers, which is like, easy way to explain it, like the equivalent of Boy Scouts, but for, I think it's the Afrikaans version. And they were set up here with their mess tents, and it brings back so many memories. Alright, so now we start getting some of the chalets. Alright, so there's your toilets, communal toilets. There's more camping areas. You got your chalets up there. Chalets. It's extremely neat here, guys. It's very tidy, clean, well kept. Can you believe it? I've done 4 comrades. How I did it, I still don't know. I suppose that's the power of your 20s, eh? Okay, so here we are at so they got a wall there. I think it's mostly used for your groups, your school groups. You've got this nice, what do they call this? Weatherstone. So this is a weatherstone. It's probably the most straightforward, reliable weather measuring device that there is. Alright. I've been to Switzerland many years ago, and for a brief moment you're like a Switzerland vibe, like a boom. I don't know if it's because it's so, everything is so neat and in place, and it's stunning, guys. So these are your chalets, yeah? Very nice. Coming back from a nice afternoon stroll on the beach, chilling here, kids running here on the grass. You see? Well, look guys, that's my frame of mind, because I mean that's the boat I'm in at the moment. And there we go, there's remainder of your chalets up there. Stunning, guys, I love it. Alright, let's take a walk up here and walk down, and that's basically that for now. I need to make my way back, edit this video, and show the world how beautiful TO Strand is. I think there's a little lighthouse here. How awesome! Hey. Got a, what do they call these things? A sundial. But yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me on this one. So yeah, guys, this is TO Strand. I'm definitely gonna bring my family here. I'm gonna film it, show you guys what it's like with kids here. And hey, why wait for me? Check the link in the comment section. It'll take you to their website. You can find out more, make a booking, come enjoy it, guys. So till then,